The award-winning journalist Hopewell Chin'ono has invited Tawanda Mmanyi, also known as Seh Calaz, to a freestyle lyric battle. This comes after Seh Calaz was challenged by Daddy Hope for receiving cars from the embattled Seh Calaz. In a video that he posted on his social media, Daddy Hope has challenged Seh Calaz to a lyric battle, and it seems like Seh Calaz is nowhere to be found. He has even reached out to his ex-wife for him to show up to this lyric battle. Let us just listen to him when he was challenging Seh Calaz once again after he challenged him earlier this year.
This is Daddy Hope. Just chilling, you know. I'm thinking about the road we have traveled. Watch out. We sit up on a rhythm and me sit and steady. Crowd of people come under them, say that me a champion. When we run dance all and cock the party, original Daddy Hope. Original Daddy Hope, yes, me dip on the mic. Dip on me mic. Me sit up on a rhythm and me sit and steady. Crowd of people come under they say that me a champion. When me come in, I did that me capture his attention. When he come to me lyrics, there's no competition. Run dance, so me a go run dance, so tell Seh Calaz me run dance, so original Daddy Hope, me dip on the mic. Dip on me mic. Me ride this a rhythm like a lizard on a leaf. Original Daddy Hope come from Glenora, original Daddy Hope from Chitu.